How to delete all data from iPhone before selling. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to erase all data from your iPhone securely before selling or giving it away. So let's get started. Now first, suppose if you wish to sell your iPhone and you want your data to be backed up, like you don't really want your data to be just lost. So before resetting your phone, you need to back up your phone. To do that, what you're going to do is head over to your settings and then you're going to click on your iCloud profile at the top. So once you're in your Apple account, you're going to click on iCloud. Over here, you're going to scroll down till you find the option that says iCloud Backup. So simply click on it and then you can click on Backup Now and back up your phone. And instead of backing up to iCloud, you can also back it up to your laptop. So once you have successfully backed up your account to either iCloud or laptop or PC, you can simply go back to settings. And over here, you're going to scroll down till you find the option that says General. So just click on General and then scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option that says Transfer or Reset iPhone. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see an option that says Erase all contents and settings. And over here, you'll be able to see a review that how many apps your iPhone contain. And after that, you're going to click on Continue. Here, you're going to click on Erase iPhone. And here, you're going to type down your passcode. And after that, you'll be asked to type down your Apple ID password. Once done, you'll be asked to power off your iPhone or restart it. And after that, you'll be able to see that all data from iPhone would be resetted. So that was basically how you can delete all data from iPhone before selling. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.